Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm just putting this video together to look for a designer that knows how to make designs like this from all sorts. Doesn't matter as long as it's good quality and you guys could, you know, get it get it done in a fashionable time period as well as a decent rate. I'm willing to pay for each design as well as just want to make sure that you guys have the exact tools in order to achieve different things as you see here. I go to another page. I just want to show you guys a few things of what exactly I'm looking for. Like this here is pretty hot. Stuff like this for girls as well as for guys. Just something unique, pretty decent, something that's definitely nice. If you guys could come up with some ideas to you know make some good designs happen, that would definitely be appreciated. Just looking for somebody that's skilled and as well as for a decent logo, anything pertaining with dogs. Maybe we could come together, make some things happen, and work together to achieve this particular task at hand. You could follow me on Skype. It's Gilbert Gilbert.Griffith Griffith on Skype is my name. Let's link up soon and talk to see what sort of deal we could come to in order to get a lot of different things. And it'll be for more than one thing. It's not just for T-shirts. It would be for coffee mugs. It would be for shower curtains, you name it. Once I actually get it all written down here, then we could go from there. But I'll definitely look forward to talking to you guys and working with you.